Hello, my name's Eric, and I'm the manager of the Writing and Study Skills Center here at UC Blue Ash. In this short video, I'd like to show you how to use our scheduling system to make an appointment with a Writing and Study Skills Center tutor. The first thing you'll want to do to schedule an appointment is go to our website. That's located at ucblueash.edu/WSSC. There, you'll see a red button that says Make an Appointment, and that'll take you to our online scheduling system called TutorTrack. There, you'll be asked to log in with your UC credentials, and once you do, you'll see something that looks like this. The first thing you'll want to do is select Search Availability. Next, you'll be asked which center you're visiting, so you'll want to choose Writing and Study Skills Center. You'll select the course that you're working for. You'll select the reason for your visit. And then you're ready to search. And when you hit search, TutorTrack will display a calendar showing all the available upcoming appointment slots. You can find a day and time that works for you and click the appointment slot you'd like to reserve. Finally, you'll see a pop-up window where you can confirm that your appointment will be online using WebEx, which is free for UC students. You can leave a note if you'd like. And make sure you don't forget to click Save. Once you've saved your appointment, you'll receive a confirmation email, and on the day of your appointment, your tutor will reach out to you via email with a link to their WebEx room where you can join them to begin your meeting. Thanks for scheduling with the tutor in the Writing and Study Skills Center. We look forward to seeing you and hope you have a great semester.